Hello, my name is Irais. I will tell about some recommendations to relieve cough. You should drink a lot of water. You should take a hot bath. You should suck cough candies. If necessary, you should go to the doctor. You shouldn't smoke. You shouldn't live without shoulders. You shouldn't drink cold drinks. You shouldn't self medicate. Thank you. That's all for me.
Hello, Super Teacher Leo. My name is Paola. Some recommendations for the flu. You should see a doctor. You should lie down all day. You should wear a sweater. You should have some things. You shouldn't eat an ice. You shouldn't go to the school today. You shouldn't stop taking the medicine. You shouldn't smoke. Thank you.